Hello, good morning class. Today's topic is mechanical energy remains constant during free fall under gravity. Now, what do you mean by mechanical energy? Mechanical energy is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. Now, what is kinetic energy? Energy possessed by a body due to its motion, and its formula is half mv square. What do you mean by potential energy? It is the energy possessed by a body due to its position, and its formula is mgh. Now, the mechanical energy we have to prove remains constant during free fall under gravity. Now, this is a man holding a body at a height h. Suppose it falls under the gravity and reaches at a point, midpoint. There the total energy will be half potential and half kinetic. And when it reaches at the ground, all of the potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. At highest point, the total energy is equal to potential energy only. But at the middle, the total energy is sum of potential and kinetic. And at the lowest point, the total energy is equal to kinetic energy only, and because the potential energy is zero here. Now we will prove mathematically also. Now at the highest point, here the kinetic energy is 0. Why? Because the body is at rest and the potential energy is mgh. Therefore, the total energy is 0 plus mgh, that is mgh. Now at position B, when a body moves through a distance x at a b, its final velocity becomes v1, or you can say v. Then at this point, the potential energy is mgh minus x, because the height at b from the ground is h minus x. Now kinetic energy will be half mv square. Now to eliminate v here, we know that v square minus u square is equal to 2as. As you know, u is 0 because the body was initially at rest. Therefore, v1 square is equal to 2gx. Now, putting the value of v1 square in this equation, we get kinetic energy is equal to mgx. Therefore, total energy will be the sum of potential plus kinetic, that is mgx plus mgh minus mgx, that is equal to mgh. Now at position C, let the velocity of the body is v here. Initially the u is 0 and now the total height is here h. Again putting here the kinetic energy will be half mv square, that is half m, and the value of v square from the above equation is 2gh. Therefore, the kinetic energy is mgh and potential energy is 0. Here, therefore, the total kinetic energy is again mgh. So, we have proved in all these three cases the total energy is mgh. Hence, the mechanical energy remains constant during free fall under gravity.